This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! It's Christmas Eve! Christmas Eve! We're decorating our Christmas tree. It's Christmas Day tomorrow.
The little robin!
Look at that, Tim.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. So this robin I made when I was your age. Look
See?
at that.
Isn't he lovely?
Really
And what's this?
soft.
Oh, now that.
This
Now that.
was the angel that belonged to your great granny.
To my mummy.
Yeah, my granny. This was the angel on top of her
Yeah,
tree.
she's gorgeous, isn't she?
Oh, how's yours going, Topsy?
Good, thanks, Dad. Look, Tim, I've nearly finished.
It's good. It's really good.
Like that.
Let's have a look.
See?
And what is it? It's a...
Yeah, what is it?
Father Christmas pine cone.
Hey!
Oh, it's brilliant.
Now, why don't we stick that on the top of the tree?
Oh, please, can I do it, Dad?
Yeah, I'll give you a hand.
Great idea.
There you go. Okay, let me help you. Here we go.
I can sit on here, Dad.
Oh,
Wow.
I crown you Father Christmas.
Now, who is ready to turn the lights on?
Me.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3,
Cover
2,
my eyes, Dad.
1.
tree looks wonderful. Well done, twins.
Oh, great.
Please come and eat the candy canes now.
Not yet.
Oh, is it time for dancing now, Dad?
Let's do some Christmas dad dancing. Who am I coming for? Who am I coming for? Oh, Christmas conga.
If you insist.
Oh, that's a good idea. While Dad and Grandma dance, Mummy reminds us we've got a present to wrap.
Now, I've got your present wrapped for Daddy, okay? Once you've done it, you pop it under the tree for me. Okay, wait 1 second.
Okay, Mummy. Thank you.
Quick, voices. Tim, quick, take it upstairs. Quick, quick, quick.
I wonder what Mummy has got us to give to Dad. I don't know. Wow. That's a big umbrella. It's really long. Cool. Can you put it up, please, Tim? I wonder how big it is. Whoa! We'll all be able to fit under this umbrella. Yes, and when we go to school and it starts raining, we'll be dry. Oh, yeah. Cool. Now we need to wrap it. We'll need lots of paper. So we... Oh, look, here's some paper. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think, Daddy, you can watch us wrap. Oh, yeah. Step, step, step. I love wrapping presents. Topsy, I like unwrapping presents. Tony's going to get a bike for Christmas. But a bike would be a hard thing to wrap, wouldn't it? Yeah. On Kerry's list for Father Christmas. She's put games and toys and dressing up clothes for her dolls. Tony's going to get a magic set too. Really? Yeah. Ooh, sounds like Dad's doing his jumping up and down dance.
Oh, marvellous.
I want to go and see. Let's get this finished. Okay.
Oh, I do love a nice family Christmas, Brian.
Happy Christmas, Mum.
Oh, happy Christmas, love.
Oh.
Oh, that reminds me. Look what I've got. Some photos of you when you were a little boy.
No, they
At
are.
Christmas, yes.
Christmas
That's
pyjamas.
it. Look at you there. And there, you can see them really well there. Look.
Yeah, I look just like
You do.
Tim.
You do indeed. And look, do you remember that present?
Yeah, I do. It's my secret spy suitcase.
That's right, it is. Well, you loved that. You really
Oh, I've got so many happy memories of Christmas when I was a boy. Thank you. I hope Topsy and Tim have lots of happy memories.
Tim carries Dad's umbrella present behind his back.
Ah, there you are. Look, I've got a special surprise for you two. Come with me. Twins, come on.
Oh, sorry.
Now, what do you think of this?
Wow! It's a Santa! Whoa.
And watch this.
Whoa, it's a light-up Santa! It's a light-up Father Christmas!
Yo ho 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 ho!
It's brilliant, Dad. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I feel really Christmassy now.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells. We can do some more Christmas dancing because I feel Christmassy now.
Ooh, not just yet. I've got a job, you two Christmas elves. This is a surprise present for Mummy from you two. Now, please, can you wrap it and put it under the tree? Then we'll do some Christmas dancing.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem, Dad. We're good at wrapping umbrellas, aren't we, Topsy? Yes, very.
Off you go.
How funny. We're giving the same Christmas present to Mummy and Dad. After we wrap the umbrella present for Mummy, we get everything ready for Father Christmas and Rudolph. Yes, Tim. Oh, there, yes. I think Rudolph will like his carrots and mince pie. He'll definitely be very hungry by the time he gets to our house.
Right, I'm off now, Topsy and Tim. Please, can I have my extra special Christmas Eve huggle? Now, remember to hang up your stockings, and you must go to sleep if you want Father Christmas to come.
Yeah, I know, yes. We'll be.
Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Thanks for your help today.
Pleasure.
Bye.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas.
I'm off to the Christmas service
Happy
at church.
Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Bye,
Oh,
bye,
bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Happy Christmas.
Oh, that's all right.
Let's go away with
Now, who wants to do some more dancing?
Me! Santa Claus can really fit up.
Oh,
Of course he can. Come and
Here we
dance
go.
with me.
After we dance, we brush our teeth and hang our stockings up.
Okay, Topsy, where are you going to hang your stocking?
I'm going to hang it here.
perfect place for Father Christmas to find it. There you go.
Do you think it's a bit low?
No, I think it's perfect. There you go.
My stocking, please.
Yes, we can do yours now, Tim. Good idea.
Eddie Teddy's on the front.
He is. Come on, Topsy, should we go and see where Tim hangs his? Where do you think? Oh, perfect.
Mine's ready.
Lovely. Now, when you wake up in the morning, those might be full of presents.
I want to look out of the window for Father Christmas and his sleigh. Me too. Oh, I can't see him.
Well, Father Christmas can't come and fill your stockings with presents until you're fast asleep. So into bed, both of you, please. Good boy, Tim, let's get your slippers off. Slippers, into bed. There's Eddie Teddy. Good boy, snuggle down. Night, night. Good girl, Topsy, into bed, snuggle down. Night, night.
Mummy, love you.
Love you too.
We tried to get to sleep, but we're too excited. Tim, shall we have one last look out of the window for Father Christmas? Yes. Come over to my side. Hello. Hello. Aww. I still can't see him, Topsy. He could be anywhere in the world. Oh, wait. Topsy, what's that? Up there, look. Wow. Wow. It's Father Christmas. Is it? And his sleigh. Are you sure? I think it is. Mummy! Mummy!
What is it?
Look, it's Father Christmas. Father Christmas in the sleigh. Look.
Oh, no, I can't see him.
It was really him, Mummy. We saw him.
Did you?
We did. It was really him.
Oh.
And that's when Mummy said, get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow is Christmas Day.
Get a good night's sleep, because tomorrow is Christmas Day, Topsy and Tim.
I can wait for you and Dad to open your presents. Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to it too. Night, night, Toptastic Topsy. Mwah.
Night, night, Mummy.
Night,
Love
night.
you.
You too. Night, night, Twintastic Tim.
Night, night.
Mwah. Happy Christmas.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we turned on our Christmas tree lights. Can you remember what Topsy made for the top of the Christmas tree? Was it a Father Christmas pine cone? Or was it a fairy pine cone? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, the answer is a Father Christmas pine cone. Watch this.
How's yours going, Topsy?
Good, thanks, Dad. Look, Tim, I've nearly finished. It's good. It's really good. Like that?
Let's have a look.
See?
And what is it? It's a...
Yeah, what is it?
Father Christmas pine cone.
Hey!
Great game. That was good fun. Happy Christmas, everyone! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, Merry Christmas!